Hi everyone, this is Bia Kindle Company. Today we are packing Black Friday orders. We have an order 3211 that's going all the way to Oregon from here. It's a long ways. The client is getting 2 Fall For Me candles, 1 No Man's Rose, 1 Let's Get Lit, and 1 Smoking Cowboy. And due to the Black Friday promo, the client is also getting a free holidays candle. She wants 2 Fall For Me candles, 1 Smoking Cowboy, 1 Let's Get Lit, 1 No Man's Rose, plus her free holidays candle. We include a thank you note with all our orders.